Public property. I ain't got home yet. I need to edit stuff. Don't worry, I'm not a blame face as it is.
Hang on a minute, why are you actually stood out here taking photos anyway? Kids watching past?
No, I was just taking night vision.
My kids are telling me that you're putting them on YouTube.
No, yeah, honestly.
Where's that come from?
No, honestly, I just said I'm a YouTuber. I take pictures at night and all that stuff. I'm just trying to show all my skills. I ain't taking any pictures of your kids. You can see the photos if you want.
Hang on a minute. What's your name? Can I take your name? Do you mind? Do you mind if I take your name? Sorry.
Why would you like to name though? Is it just because you think of...
No, because my kids have said that you're doing this.
No, it's literally because I like taking pictures at night because I'm trying to explore skills. Going back to college to do it.
Try to do what?
Explore my skills with pictures. So far, we're good. Went up there as well, and then the kids were just there, and that's it.
So right, listen, so if that's all totally innocent,
yeah,
you've got no qualms of me taking your name then?
I do wish, because I just...
no, hang on a minute. You've just come out and you've took loads of photos.
Yeah, I can show you photos. I've got no pictures of your kids at all. Come on, do you want to show you the photos?
Yeah. No, fine. No, that's fine. Oh, God, I'm really sorry.
It's all right, don't worry at all.
I just had one of my daughters tried to be freaking stolen
so
years
literally
ago.
it's all this. Some money, loads of pictures of that stuff. That's come up from my house. What's it called?
Do you live up here?
Yes, sir.
Right, alright, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to share my name?
Do you know what?
I'm really sorry if it was missed.
No, listen, just overprotective.
I get what you mean, don't I?
Overprotective parents.
My parents are overprotective as it is.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, no, I've got to that.
Listen.
Oh, fair enough. I understand that, yeah.
So
I didn't mean to be anything. I understand, yeah.
No.
Yeah. Don't, there won't be on YouTube or anything. Like,
no, listen, I've just
recording, just letting know, it's not been on YouTube, it's just kids police talk to me because I've had the police talk to me before about just taking pictures in public.
No, listen. Why are you recording everything?
Because I have a lot of police officers coming up to me asking what I'm doing, and it's in case anything happens.
Exactly.
Sorry about that again. Have a good night.
Thank you for
being safe. It's okay, don't worry. Better to be nice than anything else in it, really. See ya. Yeah, it is. Yeah.